Good morning, class. Today is October 3rd and it is 10:56 in the morning. We're here going to do a performance of our balloon exercise. And I'm going to whip you around here. Sorry. I'm going to get a new balloon because my other balloon kind of got a little messed up. Throw that away. So we're going to inflate this balloon here. And by inflating the balloon, we're going to test our tidal wave pressure of our lungs. But before we do that, I wanted to show something here. So we have a couple of equations to determine our strength. And here are our numbers here. These are my numbers. I did this trial earlier, and here are my trials. So this is we're forcing air into the balloon, and then we're going to measure the circumference. Of course, I'm going to act out these trials, but however, we're not going to do all three trials. But you need all three trials to figure out the math, and you divide all these the circumference of the balloon, as you see here, as my marker comes over. These are all the three different trials. You divide that by 3, and then you get the average, which is right here. There is an equation for that, and then of course we have all the force. Our estimated total volume of lung capacity, and then the force of pressure that we use in milliliters into the balloon. That's my average. Hopefully I did my math right. So we have, again, a balloon. And I will turn the camera around so you guys can see me do this. And then, of course, here's our measuring. It's going to be in centimeters. I'm going to whip you around so you can see me. And so I'm going to exhale into the balloon with the max force that I can do. And hopefully you can see how big this balloon gets. This balloon is a new balloon, so I'm going to do a couple little trial runs first before we do the actual one. Sorry, I just want to kind of stretch out the balloon a little bit. So here we go. So I'm gonna exhale into the balloon as large as I can possibly get it. My lungs don't, the largest that my lungs can expand. Okay, so here we go. So if you heard me, I breathe into the balloon. It does tell you to, right before you get to the capacity of your lung, to do one last little push. So I was able to do that. So I'm going to whip the camera around again. And now we're going to measure it. Sorry, I'm going to put you down here. And you see my balloon there. And we're going to get it to the centimeters part. Here's the centimeters. And I'm going to put it right here. Get my finger around it. And then we're just going to do the circumference of the balloon. And here it is. And it looks like it's about 54.5 centimeters. And that's how you do the circumference. I'm gonna let the air out now. So again, you just blow into the balloon with your max force of your lungs are capable. Right before you feel, okay, this is the most I can do, give it a little bit more, and then you have to tie this off, pinch it off, however you got to do it. Place it on a flat surface, and you're gonna measure the circumference of the centimeters, like in centimeters, sorry, of the balloon. Mine came out to 54.5 roughly. And if you go back to my numbers here, that's probably right about average for what I was able to do. That's for trial 3. That was the odd one. Anyway, thank you for your time, and hopefully it was educational and somebody can try to replicate the experiment as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day.